This is my daughter Marijah, and we are just going to go over some of her homeschool routine and the things that she does on a normal basis. So she is 9 years old. She's about to be 10, and she's in the 4th grade. And we're just going to talk about a few of just the things that she does in her routine on a normal homeschool day. So go ahead.
So the first thing we have is our checklist to write the things that I have to do every day in order. And then when I'm done doing the first thing, I'll have to check it off.
So she just checks it off as she goes until she's completed all the things that are on the checklist.
The first thing on the checklist is my verse of the week. But this is the one from last week. It's Proverbs 6:23. I have to do it in English, then in Hebrew, then in Paleo Hebrew. Sometimes I just have to do it in Hebrew.
In modern Hebrew, yeah. And she does that every day, right after her. That's the first thing she does every day.
Second thing on the checklist is my journal. She'll write something in my journal. It could be something about the Bible or something different, something about myself or something.
And then she has to write a paragraph to explain or to answer the question. And she does that right after her verse of the week every day.
Next is my word problem book. So yeah, I have my word problem book. There'll be a word problem up here.
Yeah, she usually has to do about 2 pages in her word problem book. And I got this book mainly because she was having a little bit of problems with word problems. Just the wording. She would know how to do the problem, but the words would trip her up. So once she understood what the problem was asking her to do, then of course she could then solve the problem. But sometimes with the wording, it would trip her up. So I got her this word problem book just so she can continue to practice word problems and things like that. So
next thing is my math book.
So this is just her math book here. So she does her math usually right after her word problems. I'll give her something to do in her math book.